Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to park a trailer truck safely and avoid costly damage. Parking a trailer truck the wrong way can lead to expensive repairs and unnecessary downtime. A simple misalignment or uneven weight distribution can cause costly damage to the truck, trailer, or cargo. This guide covers practical steps to park safely, prevent wear and tear, and avoid common mistakes. You'll learn how to position your rig correctly, secure it, and spot potential hazards before they turn into bigger problems. Whether you're new to trucking or have years of experience, these tips can save you time and money. Understand the basics of trailer truck parking. Parking a trailer truck involves more than just finding an empty spot. The way you position and secure your rig affects safety, cargo integrity, and even mechanical wear. Ignoring key details can lead to shifting loads, brake stress, or trailer detachment, problems you don't want to deal with after a long haul. Weight distribution and stability. A poorly balanced load doesn't just make driving harder, it also risks damage when parked. Too much weight toward the rear can lift the truck's front wheels, straining the suspension. Uneven side-to-side weight shifts the trailer's center of gravity, making it unstable, especially on uneven ground. To avoid trouble, check axle weights before parking. Scales at truck stops help verify balance. Distribute cargo evenly, keeping heavier items low and centered. Avoid parking on slopes unless necessary. If you must, turn wheels toward the curb to reduce roll risk. A stable trailer sits firmly on its suspension. If one side sags more than the other, reposition the load before shutting down for the night. Securing the trailer before parking. A parked trailer isn't truly safe until it's immobilized. Wind, passing trucks, or minor slopes can nudge it if not secured properly. Here's how to lock it in place. Test the hitch connection. Tug the trailer after coupling to confirm it's latched. Engage the trailer brakes before disconnecting from the truck. Use wheel chocks on both sides of the tires, even on flat ground. Lower the landing gear with care. Crank it until there's slight pressure but not full weight. Simple steps like these prevent trailer creep and protect your cargo from shifts overnight. Always double check. What seems secure at dusk might not hold by dawn. Choosing the right parking spot. Parking a trailer truck isn't just about convenience, it's about preventing unnecessary wear, avoiding accidents, and keeping your cargo intact. A poorly chosen spot can lead to everything from tire damage to trailer rollaways. Here's how to pick the best place to park, whether you're stopping for a few hours or overnight. Evaluating surface conditions. The ground beneath your trailer matters more than most drivers realize. Soft dirt, steep slopes, or cracked pavement can create problems before you even unhitch. Here's what to check. Firmness. Walk the area first. If your boots sink into mud or gravel shifts underfoot, your trailer will too. Look for packed dirt or paved surfaces. Slope. Park on level ground whenever possible. If you can't, position the trailer so the nose points uphill. This keeps the kingpin secure and helps prevent rolling. Debris and obstacles. Broken glass, sharp rocks, or potholes can puncture tires or damage the undercarriage. Clear the spot before backing in. A quick inspection takes minutes but saves hours of repairs later. Ignoring surface conditions is like parking a trailer on a funhouse floor. Eventually, something's going to slip. Avoiding high traffic areas. A busy truck stop might seem convenient, but constant movement around your trailer increases risks. Other drivers might clip your rig while maneuvering, or worse, hit it without noticing. Instead, choose the outer edges of parking lots where fewer trucks pass through. Avoid narrow aisles. Even if you fit, someone else might misjudge their turn. Watch for congestion zones near fuel pumps or restroom entrances where distracted drivers cluster. Think of it this way. Parking in a high traffic spot is like leaving a bicycle in the middle of a sidewalk. Sooner or later, someone's going to bump into it. Taking an extra minute to find a better spot pays off in fewer dents, scratches, and headaches down the road. Proper parking techniques to prevent damage. Parking a trailer truck without causing damage requires more than just skill. It's about minimizing risks at every step. Even experienced drivers can run into problems if they rush the process or ignore small details. Whether backing into a tight spot or leaving space for safety, these methods keep your rig intact and reduce headaches later. Backing into parking spaces. Backing up a trailer can feel like threading a needle. Precision matters. Mirrors are your best friend here, but they won't catch everything. For tight spots, follow these steps. Position the truck first. Align the tractor so the trailer has a clear path. Approach at a slight angle instead of straight on. Use all mirrors. Check blind spots frequently, and adjust them before starting. Side and convex mirrors show different angles. Go slow and correct early. Small turns prevent big corrections later. Oversteering makes the trailer swing too wide. Get a spotter if needed. Someone outside can see obstacles you can't. Agree on hand signals before you start moving. For night parking, turn on hazard lights and use a flashlight to check the area. Shadows hide curbs and uneven pavement. Leaving adequate space. Cramming into a packed lot might work for a sedan, but trailers need room to breathe. Tight spaces lead to scrapes, dents, and frustrated drivers struggling to get out. Here's how to avoid the squeeze. Leave extra room between trailers. At least a full door's width prevents cargo doors from hitting neighboring rigs. Watch for swing clearance. Trailers need more space when turning. Park far enough away so others won't clip yours. Avoid end spots near barriers. Guardrails and fences limit your exit options. Middle spots give better flexibility. If parking in a row of trucks, align your trailer with the others. A crooked rig sticks out, begging for a sideswipe. Parking smart isn't just about avoiding damage today. It's about making sure your trailer rolls out just as smoothly tomorrow. That's it for part 1. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, where we'll share even more essential tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.